If you want Grammarly to match the type of English you write, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change your English language preferences in Grammarly in just a few simple steps. Whether you write in American English, British English, Canadian English, Australian English, or Indian English, setting the correct dialect helps Grammarly give you more accurate spelling, grammar, and style suggestions. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference in your writing workflow. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Grammarly dashboard. Once you're signed in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the account icon. This is where Grammarly keeps your profile and preference settings, so this is the first place you'll want to go if you need to update your language options. After you click the account icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Account Settings. This will open Grammarly's settings page, where you can control several important options tied to your account. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings screen, click the Language tab. This is the section that controls how Grammarly understands the language style you want to write in. In the language settings, look for the drop-down menu labeled I Write In. This is the main setting you need to change. Click the drop-down and you'll see different English dialect options available. Depending on your needs, choose the one that matches your writing style best. For example, if you want Grammarly to use US spelling and formatting, choose American English. If you prefer UK spelling, choose British English. You may also see options like Canadian English, Australian English, or Indian English, so pick the dialect that fits your audience, your region, or your brand voice. Once you select the preferred dialect, Grammarly will automatically update your language preferences. From that point on, it will tailor its corrections and suggestions based on the English variant you selected. That means fewer unnecessary corrections and more accurate writing assistance across your documents and messages. If you ever need to change it again, just come back to the same language tab and update the I Write In drop-down at any time. And that's it. You've successfully changed your English language preferences in Grammarly. It only takes a moment, but it can help make your writing much more consistent and professional. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.